if the greatest power doesn't come from armies, wealth, or status, but from mastering yourself? In the heart of the Roman Empire, surrounded by war, betrayal, and temptation, Marcus Aurelius discovered a hidden form of strength, a kind of power that no enemy could steal, no wealth could buy, and no throne could guarantee. The power of Stoicism, the power of ruling your own mind. This is Marcus Aurelius, Stoic power. Marcus Aurelius ruled Rome at its height, a vast empire stretching from Britain to Egypt. But unlike other emperors, his reign was marked not only by expansion and politics, but by constant crisis, plagues, invasions, and conspiracies. While many rulers drowned in luxury or paranoia, Marcus turned inward. He believed, you have power over your mind, not outside events. This wasn't weakness, it was strategy. By disciplining his thoughts, Marcus could stay calm in chaos and make decisions others couldn't. Most leaders rely on fear, charisma, or wealth. Marcus relied on something else, inner stability. He knew armies can rebel, fortune can vanish, friends can betray, but your mindset is yours alone. This hidden rule of Stoic power is simple. If you control your mind, no one can control you. And this made Marcus different from tyrants like Nero or Caligula. While they were slaves to desire, anger, and fear, Marcus was free. Marcus embodied Aristotle's 3 pillars of persuasion without even trying. Ethos, credibility. He was respected as a wise and just emperor. Pathos, emotion. He inspired through calmness and dignity, not rage. Logos, reason. His decisions were rational, strategic, guided by philosophy. In other words, Marcus Aurelius didn't just rule Rome. He ruled himself, and through that, he ruled others. What can we learn from him today? 1. Control the uncontrollable. You can't choose what happens, but you can choose your response. 2. Detach from ego. Fame and insults are fleeting. Your mind decides their weight. 3. Turn obstacles into fuel. Every difficulty can sharpen you. Marcus wrote these lessons in his book, Meditations, a private journal never meant to be read by others. Yet today, it's one of the most influential texts in philosophy. But Marcus didn't just preach Stoicism. He used it step by step to survive betrayal, war, and loss, and still emerge remembered as the philosopher-king. And that leads us to part 2, how Marcus Aurelius used strategy to win. Step 1, discipline the mind before commanding legions. Marcus commanded himself. He journaled daily, reminding himself of Stoic truths. Control desire. Accept death. Focus on duty. This discipline gave him clarity in moments of chaos. Step 2. Lead by example. While many emperors lived in excess, Marcus dressed simply, ate modestly, and endured the same hardships as his soldiers. This earned him respect, not fear. His strategy was subtle but powerful. If people see you embody your philosophy, they follow willingly. Step 3. Accept fate. Act anyway. Stoicism teaches that we cannot control fate. You see, only action. Marcus accepted that invasions, plagues, and conspiracies would happen. But instead of despairing, he acted decisively. Leadership is not eliminating chaos. It is staying steady inside it. Step 4. Turning weakness into power. Marcus' reign was full of loss. The Antonine Plague killed millions, including family members. But instead of collapsing, he turned tragedy into proof of Stoic endurance. His resilience inspired Rome to keep going. His private grief became public strength. Here lies the dark side. Stoicism can be used both to strengthen and to manipulate. By showing calm, Marcus projected invincibility. Enemies feared him not because he shouted, but because he remained unshaken. By detaching from pleasure, he could not be bribed. This made allies trust him more. By framing death as natural, he removed fear, the ultimate weapon of control. In modern terms, Stoicism is psychological armor. It protects you from manipulation, but it can also make you intimidating to others. So, how do you use Marcus Aurelius' strategy today? 1. Business. Stay calm in negotiations. The most composed person usually wins. 2. Leadership. Lead by example, not orders. 3. Life. Accept pain, loss, and setbacks as part of growth. Marcus Aurelius wasn't remembered for luxury, conquests, or cruelty. He was remembered for wisdom. His hidden Stoic power wasn't about dominating others. It was about mastering himself, and through that, ruling the greatest empire on earth. So ask yourself, do you rule your mind, or does your mind